Once upon a time, in the vibrant land of Pakistan, there lived a man whose vision and unwavering determination ignited the flame of hope among millions. This man was none other than Quaid Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah, the founding father of Pakistan. As Quaid Azam Day approached, the whole country buzzed with excitement and patriotism. In schools, children adorned in green and white, the colors of the Pakistani flag, gathered to commemorate the life and legacy of this great leader. In a small town, a young girl named Aisha was eager to celebrate Quaid Azam Day. Her grandfather, a wise and gentle man, had shared countless stories about the struggles and sacrifices made by Quaid Azam for the creation of Pakistan. "Grandpa, tell me more about Quaid Azam," Aisha pleaded with sparkling eyes. Her grandfather smiled warmly and began recounting the remarkable journey of the man who had changed the course of history. He spoke of Jinnah's unwavering belief in unity, equality, and freedom for all, regardless of religion or background. He worked tirelessly to unite people from different walks of life, advocating for a separate nation where everyone could live in peace and harmony, her grandfather explained. Aisha listened intently, her heart swelling with admiration for this extraordinary leader who had faced numerous challenges yet never wavered in his commitment to the dream of a free homeland. As the day unfolded, the town came alive with festivities. People from all walks of life gathered to pay tribute to Quaid Azam. They sang patriotic songs, performed traditional dances, and showcased the rich cultural heritage of Pakistan. Aisha, along with her friends, participated in a skit depicting the struggles of the freedom movement. They portrayed the pivotal moments when Quaid Azam stood firm in the face of adversity, inspiring the masses with his unwavering determination. Amidst the celebrations, Aisha realized the profound significance of Quaid Azam Day. It was not merely a commemoration but a reminder of the values of unity, perseverance, and dedication that Quaid Azam embodied. As the day drew to a close, a serene sense of unity and patriotism enveloped the town. Aisha looked up at the starry night sky, feeling grateful for the sacrifices made by Quaid Azam and the countless individuals who had contributed to the creation of Pakistan. The echoes of Quaid Azam's words resonated in her heart. With faith, discipline, and selfless devotion to duty, there is nothing worthwhile that you cannot achieve. With renewed determination, Aisha pledged to uphold the ideals of Quaid Azam and work towards a brighter future for her beloved country, just as he had envisioned. And as the night faded into dawn, the spirit of Quaid Azam continued to inspire generations, lighting the way for a prosperous and harmonious Pakistan.